What are you doing, Denise?
Play-Doh.
You're playing with your Play-Doh?
What color is it?
What color is it?
Blue.
Blue?
Yes.
Yes.
So what color is it?
What color is it?
Blue, another one.
Another blue. What are you playing with?
Put your Play-Doh.
Play-Doh?
Yes. I'm making hearts.
You're gonna make hearts?
Yes.
For Valentine's Day?
Yes.
Oh. Is it hard?
Yes.
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 Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you guys?
Hey you guys.
It's all gone.
Blue. Look like this one.
Hmm?
Look like this one.
What is that?
Girl.
Cinderella. Look at that. It's a pumpkin, a bird, and a mouse. What's that?
Scissors.
Scissors?
Yes. Little horse.
Huh?
Wait a minute. Little horse.
A little horse?
Yes.
He was born.
What are you doing?
He's walking.
Nice for.
Hmm?
Little horse for.
Little horse fell?
The. It's for grass. Whoa!
Hey, Mama?
Hey, running.
Uh-huh. Hey. Say cheese.
Cheese.
With the peace sign? Who taught you that?
2.
2?
Like baby.
Like a baby?
Yes. It touched monkey.
Mm-hmm.
And where is that? What do you want?
You're silly.
Give it that one.
What?
Yes.
This thingy?
Yes, I'll play purple one.
Okay.
Ow! So okay, Denise?
You okay, Denise?
Yes.
A little bit, Mama. Put a little bit.
Okay.
What shape is this?
Circle.
What shape is this?
Rectangle.
What is this?
Crafted dollar.
How about this?
Triangle.
What's this?
Square.
Let me see. What's this?
Star.
How about this?
Heart.
A heart. What is what's this?
Cut.
To cut? What's this?
Scissors.
How about this?
Giraffe.
Good job. What's this thingy?
Cup.
Cup. It's an ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone.
What does this do?
Ice cream.
A little paleta. Oh, what's this?
Whale.
A whale?
Yes.
It's a dolphin.
Dolphin.
Yes, good job. Here we see. What's this little guy?
Rhino.
A Right now it's an elephant and you can't see it.
Elephant.
Wait, what is this?
Turtle.
A turtle. What is this? What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, make your little Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
Blue one.
Huh?
Blue one.
The blue one?
Yes. We have this one.
Huh?
We have this.
What's this?
Yes.
Okay, what is that?
Apple.
What is this one?
Happy pig.
How about that one?
Rockets.
How about this one?
Bells.
A bell?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it to you. It's a question mark. What about this one?
Hello.
Tornillo.
Tornillo.
What's
this?
that? This one.
Tornillo.
No, this is a llave.
Llave.
Or what you call it, keys.
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 Keys. We have this one.
What's that?
Crab.
A crab. It's a lobster.
Yeah.
Are you done there?
No.
Bye.
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 Huh? Sácalo.
¿Qué?
Eso.
What?
Fish.
Fish.
Yes.
Chivo.
Chiw.
Yo.
Goat.
Yo.
Ma.
Sí.
No.
Es este.
Chivo.
Dije yo.
Ma. Look at something.
Look at this is a tree.
Yes. Apple tree.
What's this?
Heart.
Yes, it's a heart. You can't really see it. What is that?
Pull it.
Pull it. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Like
Okay.
Play-Doh.
Yeah. What is this?
Rover.
A roller. With a lot of little designs.
Yes.
Yes. Love you.
Let you.
Bye.
Wait.
What? We're not doing anything.
Ya, que me mandaron saludar, ¿eh? ¿Volté?
Oh, yeah.